Hey there, today we are live with a developer-friendly browser that lets you develop, test, and debug responsiveness of your website on the fly. And we call it LT Browser. Let me show you how it can make your life easier. LT Browser is a desktop application that will help you instantly view, build, and debug your website on 45 plus mobile, tablet, and desktop resolution. Whether it's an iPhone, iPad, Samsung, or even a MacBook, you get all the resolution in the LT Browser. To get started, just select the configuration of your choice, and you can test your web app on two different device resolutions side by side. You can even configure a custom device resolution of your choice and start testing. With the option of mirrored interactions, you save a lot of time by navigating two devices at the same time. You can capture full-page screenshot, view in landscape mode, debug, and also you get an option to record the video of the entire session. With network throttling, now you can check how your web app behaves in specific network conditions. And how could we ignore performance? Now with a single click, you get a performance report of your website powered by Google Lighthouse. And not just that, you can also test your local URL on LT Browser with zero configuration. It's just simple, just type your local host URL in the address bar and you're good to go. You can leverage one-click bug logging right from LT Browser as we bring in over 50 great integrations with project management and team collaboration tools, which includes Jira, Asana, Trello, Github, ClickUp, Slack, Microsoft Teams, to name a few. Whenever you come across a bug, just take a screenshot of LT Browser and send it to project management tool of your choice with a single click. In short, LT Browser is a perfect tool for designers, product managers, developers, testers, and enthusiastic amateurs who want to create great-looking and well-performing responsive sites or web apps. If you haven't tried LambdaTest LT Browser yet, give it a spin now. Subscribe to our channel to stay on top of exciting features on your way. Happy testing!